As you've probably seen this helicopter in a few shorts. I'll be flying it in a video. Probably gonna be using this as a helipad. Controls are like way too easy, but it's only $5, so let's see how well it can fly. It can only go up and down. Yeah, and that's about it. And I'm pretty sure it has LED lights. Don't know what that's gonna do. It's probably like those police lights. I kind of forgot when I last flew it. Let's go somewhere else. Turn so you can see. Now first we have to. Okay, how do I record this part? Okay, let's go back and turn it on. Here it looks like police lighting. Okay, let's take it off. Oh, it's going high. Okay, it's on auto mode right now. Now let me go up. Okay, maybe too high. Okay, up. I think you can get way lower than that. So let's try to land it. I can't get that low. Oh wait, I see. It's supposed to spin that way through the rough landing. This time we're just gonna let it go. I think we're getting a bit lower now. Let's go higher. Yeah, I think we have to go lower. Okay, we're gonna just hold it like that and then... There we go, it's flying. Okay, let's go high. Okay, it's going dangerously close there. That was a bad idea. Normal. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep it at the same spot. It's going kind of close. I'm gonna slide up. Oh, it's going too close. Yeah. Let's try to do a super smooth landing. That was actually pretty good. Now let's do a takeoff. Okay, we're ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Kind of got it to the right level. I'm gonna fly it up. It's gonna come back down fast. So if we do that a bit better, like it's good enough. Now just free fall, and then yeah, we can get pretty good landing. So yeah, that's about it.